And there you have it, guys, the 2022 Tacoma. It is completed, and it's a beautiful rainy day here in San Bernardino. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day. This is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma, guys. And we are doing today black wrap with mahogany inserts. This is for the body, black stitch. This is gonna be a very interesting kit, guys. And this particular one is gonna have DEGREEZ system. So we're gonna have cooling and heating, which are the pads. We have the main brain and also the main switch for the system. So this is a very bulky switch. We're gonna be installing that in the vehicle. And we have the motors for the blowing, you know, and this is the responsible for the magic when it comes to converting the air to cool and to heat. It's like a radiator, very sophisticated piece, guys, right here. And the wire harness, and this is what we have. And guys, I know it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. So let's take a look at the vehicle. Color gray, I mean green. This is like the army green. And guys, this is what we're talking about. Horrible, stinky, stain cloth seats. It needs leather for sure. So you cannot drive this vehicle in these conditions. It needs a transformation. That's what is here. This is the rear. And say problem, see how stained and horrible these seats already are. That's why we are being assigned to do something about this. You guys deserve better. Don't do this to your vehicles. Guys, you want this. You want a transformation, you want leather seats, go to LeatherTeck.com, by EM Upholstery Technology. So you can order a factory match, custom design. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double hex, honeycomb, and many other, guys. So we have them all for you. Exotics like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it, we have them. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations and you can see how beautiful these leather seats are going to be. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. We are demystifying the installation process. You know, it's not that difficult. So look forward for the completion of this installation so you can see how beautiful the transformation is gonna be. And guys, please don't do this to your vehicles. Get leather. 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Beautiful mahogany inserts. And we have DEGREEZ heating and cooling. 3 different selections for heating and 3 for cooling, guys. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, stained cloth seats, guys. Upgrade to leather. You guys want this transformation in your vehicle for sure. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. Over 60 different colors and combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, piping, you name it. Special editions, custom patterns, diamonds, double hex, exotics, ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. Custom embroidery for sure. We have them. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe. Make an inquiry. Virtually for any vehicle. Let me make a close-up right here so you can see how beautiful this double stitch is and the combinations. If you want the door panels, guys, that's an exclusive for our LeatherTeck brand. We have them too. In this case, the client decided to not to. But if you want to do that, please inquire. And look forward, guys, because we're gonna keep on transforming vehicles like this. We have the tutorials on YouTube, and you deserve this leather interior, guys. LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. Thank you, guys. Oh, we missed the model. Where is our rat? Holy Jesus, our model rat didn't make it today. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.